Kid Spy 5. The Sound of Danger, written by Mac Barnett MacB, is on a secret mission to retrieve a stolen, priceless piece of history in this totally true kid spy adventure from New York Times best-selling author Mac Barnett. England is in trouble. A priceless violin has been stolen, and there's only one person who can help. Kid Spy MacB. Mac's adventure takes him on a top-secret museum night watch and face-to-face with a mummy, ziplining in Italy with his trusty corgi sidekick, and finally, on an undercover mission in the heart of enemy territory. But when he ends up as a captured prisoner, is the mission lost for good? Catch the latest hilarious adventure in the New York Times best-selling MacB. Kid Spy Books. Mike Lowry's signature illustrations appear on every page, and historical facts are woven throughout, along with intrigue, history, hilarity, and more.